an epic vlogs with dogs free at 3 o'clock. Even like that intro, guys. Yeah, hey, what's up, guys? It's KMJ and HS123. Welcome to Vlogs with Dogs free. Come, Maze. Maisie. She's probably listening to that siren. Yep. I apologise in advance if you just stop suddenly because I have got really low space on my phone. I'm just going to record till it fills up because I'm going to upload this when I get home. So just if it stops and I'm in the middle of a conversation, like just yeah, accept it because it's got low space. But anyways, today is quite cloudy. Go on, Maze. She's done that epic she done a bow roll earlier to get the ball. Go on, Maze. Sorry if my camera angle's a little bit off, but I don't think I am using my left hand, and I am like super left hand useless. Oh, what do you want, miss? She was so happy to get out today because like I take them for walks, as you know. Marnie's got, let go. Marnie's got a bag foot. And so I take him for walks. And Maisie was so happy today. She was really loud at the house. She was like jumping about and barking really loud. She's really happy and going crazy when she saw me. Go on, Maisie. If you don't know by now, that's Maisie. Is a Jack Russell. This is Missy. She's a staff. She's 13 years old. The reason why I keep her on a lead is because she's deaf and she may wander off sometimes, and I'll have to go running off. Like, if I let her go, Maisie, don't chew that. Maisie. This is not how I choose it. Go on, Maisie. Don't chew the ball. What are you doing? Go on, Maisie. Sit. Anyways, I'm probably going to end it now because I will keep some space on my phone just in case, but I will be uploading my vlog earlier. I didn't feel that well, but now I'm a little better. Get out the fresh air, have one about, so. Got your tooth stuck in it, in ya. Hey! Ow, scratching my legs up. Ah. He's got nice little sharp little nails. But you hand out like that, she just gives it to you straight. Ow! What are you doing? He's an energetic little dog, she is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment. And please take one click out of your day to like this video. It helps my vlogs a lot. Look at that. Straight in the hand. Hey! Shut up, poor old. Oh, what's up? And yes, can you also please subscribe? I'll be doing more of these vlogs, so yeah. I'll see you later. Peace.